Hey, it's Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without making videos. I'm also going to tell you about an underground strategy to get your videos on top of Google and YouTube, so stay tuned. Alright, so if you're watching this video, you're looking for a way to make money on YouTube without shooting any video, or perhaps you just don't want to be on camera. If so, keep watching because you're in the right place. So basically, there are two ways for you to accomplish this. The first one is by using other people's videos. The other is using Sofware. So let's first talk about using other people's videos. So many people are probably thinking, is this even legal? And the answer to that is yes, but you do have to use videos that participate in Creative Commons under fair use. So what does this mean, and what is Creative Commons? Now, Creative Commons license provides a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. And YouTube allows users to mark their videos with a Creative Commons license. So in other words, you can use other people's videos as long as they participate in this Creative Commons program. So this means you can use their videos, but you do need to attribute their content to the original creator in the video description. So let me show you how to find Creative Commons videos. Okay, so when you're in YouTube, you just want to basically do a search. In this example, I'm just going to use sharks. So I typed in sharks, and then we go to the filter, and then we go under where it says features here, and we hit Creative Commons. So that's basically going to now give us all the videos that are participating in the Creative Commons program. So you can use any of these videos as long as you attribute that video to the original content creator in the video description. Now, the other way to find it is that you can type in what you're looking for, and then type in Creative Commons, but don't put a comma, or don't put any space after the comma before the word creative, just like this. So sharks, comma, creative, space, commons, and this will give you those same results as well. So those are a couple of ways that you can find Creative Commons videos. Now, I wanted to tell you about this method because, there seems to be a trend right now with a lot of people talking about it and how easy it is to do. And although it is tempting to do, I do want to tell you that this is probably not the best idea because, first of all, although YouTube does technically allow it, it doesn't really like it. It wants people to put out their own original content, and there is something known as duplicate content and reuse content, and they're actually demonetizing channels that do this. So if you get 3 pending strikes, then your channel can actually get terminated and your videos will be removed, and you really can't get around it even by starting another channel. So it's really important that you absolutely play by the rules. Also, another thing that the reason why I don't like it is that it's really easy for anyone to download any YouTube video, then just re-upload it to any channel and mark it as Creative Commons. So the truth is that you never really are sure if you're using someone else's channel, someone else's video legally. And although you may be able to get away with it for a while, you'll always have that fear that at some point in time, someone will take notice of it and then could possibly get your channel banned. So you don't want that danger that you take the time to build up your channel only to get it closed. It's going to be a huge frustration somewhere down the line, and it's just going to be a big waste of time, which nobody wants when they're building a business. So that's why I don't personally recommend it. I just wanted to tell you about it. I guess it is for some people. Some people will want to take the risk. But so that's the first way. The second method is by using Sofware. And this is actually a much better way to make money on YouTube. You don't have that fear You have much more control. And so with this method, so when we say, how to make money without making videos, what we're really talking about is not having to actually shoot any video footage or not having to be in the video, because of course you're on YouTube, right? It's a video platform. You're going to need videos, and that's what most people are looking to avoid. So that's what makes this such a great method, because I found this tool, and it's actually called Vidnami now. It used to be previously known as Content Samurai. They've recently rebranded themselves. It's the same tool, same owners and everything, but they've just rebranded themselves. Now, this is a great resource for making videos because it allows you to create videos very easily and quickly, which I'm going to show you. And it's great for affiliate marketing because you can create videos about your product, and you never have to be on camera or shoot any footage. So I'm going to show you how it works. I have another video tutorial where I actually show you step by step on how this works with an example that I show you of my own videos. So be sure to check that out on my channel. But for now, I'm just going to give you a quick look inside with an overview of how easy it is to use. And so this is it. When you sign up for the platform, you will get into a dashboard that looks something like this. You basically can create a video. I'm actually going to show you, this is the getting started video that they show you, and rather than me kind of walking you through this again, as I mentioned, I've already done this in another video with a real live example. I want to direct you to that video on my channel, but I did want to show you real quick some of the footage, the example of them walking you through it, because it is good content. So let me show you that real quick.
Here I am on my Vidnami dashboard. This is where you'll see all the videos you've made. You can organize your videos into different folders and also choose to list your videos alphabetically or by date created. To create a new video, I'll just come up here and click this button. As you can see over here, we've broken the process of creating videos into 6 simple steps. Step 1 is to choose a template. There are 6 different categories to choose from. You can create content videos, influencer videos, instant ads, sales videos, online course or training videos, and property videos. For this example, I'm going to choose the content video category. I can choose to view all formats, landscape, or square templates. And now I'll choose a template I like. Let's go with this green one. I then enter a name for my video, and here is where I copy and paste my blog post. I then come down here and click the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then break up your script into different scenes and use artificial intelligence to automatically select video clips for each scene. This means instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can simply review and tweak your scenes. Let's take a look at the types of changes you can make. To find a new clip for a scene, you can choose one of the suggestions here. Or you can type in a word to search our library of over 790,000 clips from Storyblocks.com. To change the layout of your text, just come over to the layout icon and choose where you want your text to be. You can also use these options to bold and italicize your text like this. Once you've finished reviewing and tweaking your scene, click this button to move to the next stage. As you can see, we're now on the voice screen, where you have 4 options for adding a voice track to your video. You can create a music-only video, use auto voice to automatically convert your text to speech, record your own voice in the app, or upload a pre-recorded voice track. For this video, I hired someone from Fiverr.com to record my voice track. I simply sent them the script, and within a few hours, they sent me back a professionally recorded MP3. So I'll choose the upload option, find the MP3 track on my computer, and upload it to Vidnami. Once it's uploaded, I then click this button to watch a preview of my video. On the preview screen, I can search for a music track by mood and/or genre. For example, let's search for a happy music track, and let's try this one. I can then watch my preview, and when I'm happy, click Looks Good Continue, and then hit Generate. When the system has finished rendering my video, I'll download it to my computer. So let's now take a look about finished video.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2.
All right, so there you go. I mean, it's really as easy as that. It's pretty much drop and drag. They've got plenty of royalty-free images as well as video clips that you can use. You can import your own images. Really, really good software. I highly recommend it. So you can. I'm going to put a link below in the description if you want to go check that out and sign up. It's relatively inexpensive as well. I believe it's like 27 or 25 or $27 a month, I think. But go ahead and check that out below in the description. So, okay, so that's how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. But I also wanted to tell you about a final step that you'll need in order to make money with YouTube videos, and that is that you have to drive traffic, right? Earlier I mentioned I was going to tell you about an underground strategy on how to get your videos to the tops of Google and YouTube, and it's a free training that you can access right now in the link below. It's in the description, and it's from an internet marketer that is actually making over $1 million from just one product using this same strategy. Now, I'm using this strategy myself. I just started using it, and I'll be posting my results in some other videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notify bell to be alerted of my latest videos so you can check that out. But yeah, definitely get access to this. It's absolutely free. It's free training. Check it out. Click the link below, and I'll see you next time.